Ever wondered how our modern worldview was shaped? The Renaissance, a period of cultural, artistic, and scientific blossoming, holds the answer. This remarkable era began in the 14th century in Italy, a time when the Middle Ages were on the decline and a new spirit of humanism was on the rise. This was no ordinary time. The Renaissance, or rebirth, was a period of profound change and rediscovery. It was a time when people started to look back to the classical knowledge of the Greeks and Romans with a fresh perspective. The wisdom of these ancient civilizations was suddenly seen in a new light, fueling a renewed interest that ignited the spark of the Renaissance. The Middle Ages may have been a time of survival, but the Renaissance was a time of thriving. It was an era of exploration, of questioning, of breaking boundaries. The Renaissance, a time of rebirth, set the stage for the modern era. Art, a mirror of time, underwent a profound transformation during the Renaissance. This period of cultural rebirth saw art evolve in leaps and bounds. Masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo emerged, their works becoming emblems of a new era. They revolutionized art with the use of perspective, giving depth and dimension to their paintings, and realism, imbuing their subjects with lifelike qualities. Leonardo's Mona Lisa and The Last Supper are prime examples of this, as is Michelangelo's David and the breathtaking frescoes of the Sistine Chapel. These artists pushed boundaries, challenged conventions, and breathed new life into art. The Renaissance also marked the advent of the printing press. This invention played a significant role in the dissemination of artwork. Now, art could be replicated and spread far and wide, reaching an audience that was earlier unthinkable. The artists of the Renaissance, through their innovative techniques and ideas, changed the world of art forever. Science, too, awakened from its medieval slumber during the Renaissance. This period was a time of remarkable scientific advancements, with leaps in understanding that would forever change our perception of the universe. Figures like Galileo Galilei and Nicholas Copernicus emerged as pioneers of this new age of discovery. Galileo, with his radical observations, challenged the long-held belief that the Earth was the center of the universe. Meanwhile, Copernicus offered a revolutionary model of a heliocentric solar system, turning our cosmic worldview on its head. But the Renaissance was not just about individual discoveries. It also saw the birth of the scientific method, a systematic approach to inquiry that remains the bedrock of scientific investigation today. Furthermore, the invention of the printing press allowed these new ideas to spread rapidly across Europe, democratizing knowledge and inspiring further innovation. The scientific revolution of the Renaissance laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of the universe. At the heart of the Renaissance was a new philosophy, humanism. This philosophy, which rose to prominence during the Renaissance, placed a newfound emphasis on human potential and achievements, rather than divine or supernatural matters. It was a time when individuals started to see themselves as the masters of their own fate, capable of shaping their own destiny. Humanism encouraged people to embrace their abilities to learn, to create, and to question. This shift in thinking had a profound influence on all aspects of society. In education, it led to the study of classical literature, history, and moral philosophy. In politics, it fostered a sense of civic responsibility and the belief in the power of the individual. In the arts, it inspired artists to depict human emotion, beauty, and individuality in their works. Humanism, the philosophical backbone of the Renaissance, continues to shape our world today. The Renaissance, a period of rebirth, left an indelible mark on human history. This era, bursting with creativity and intellectual exploration, reshaped the world in countless ways. The artistic revolution of the Renaissance brought forth a new realism in paintings and sculptures, breathing life into art like never before. Its influence is still seen today in the works of modern artists who strive for the same depth and complexity. The scientific awakening of the Renaissance sowed the seeds of modern science. The radical thinkers of the period dared to question the status quo, sparking a thirst for knowledge that continues to drive scientific discovery today. The Renaissance's humanistic philosophy shed light on the importance of individual potential and self-realization. It redefined our understanding of what it means to be human, laying the foundation of modern humanism. In essence, the Renaissance was more than a period of cultural revival. It was the dawn of the modern era. The Renaissance, a beacon of human achievement, still shines brightly in our modern world.